going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a triple package unit replacement job. We're going to be doing this one, that one over there, and that one right there. So we got 3 new units coming on here. We're doing curb adapters, right? You can see them. And we're doing train units. Very similar to that one. I think we did that one not too long ago. So we're going to be doing these 3 right here. They're old Yorks. We're going to be doing, like I said, new trains. There's the curb adapters. All right. We didn't do this one, but we did do recently that one over there. See that? Doing trains up here. And this one, we're not doing it because they're just going to cancel it out. So if you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 curb adapters. It's because today we're doing these 3, but then tomorrow we're going to do, you know, a couple that are down there. All right. Let's see if you can see them from here. There they are right there, right? So you can see we're doing that one and that one right there. So I'm happy to bring y'all along with us. I really love customers like this one. They've been a super long time customer of ours, and they own a killer business themselves, and they are the mentality that they like to invest right back into their business. So they just bought this property, and they are right away putting money into their business because this is where they're gonna have their big, you know, kind of like their big headquarters. So that's what we're doing today. Bring you along on the journey. That's what they look like now. The plumbing, I recommended they switch over to copper, even if it's above ground. They opted not because of possibility of crime. So I totally understand that. That's why we disclosed that, like, hey, you know what? Copper will last a lot longer, but in this part of town, it could be an issue if there's crime. So we're gonna go right back with PVC. That's what that one looks like. All right. So we'll go ahead. We got the marketing guy here with us. He does our other channel. So as you all know, this is my channel. And we also, the company has their own channel as well. So he's doing it for them. All right. So let's go ahead and get to it. There we have the crane. We already pulled one off and put one on. Now we're doing the second one. Alrighty. All right, we will set the new one in its place. Let's get it out of here. And here we have our finished units, I should say. You got another one over there. Like I said about the drain lines, right? We ended up doing just PVC, independent, because we do not want to use copper, or they didn't want to use copper because of the fact that it could get stolen. And that's understandable. So there it is. Let me back up so you can get a full picture of it. Right there. Nice. And this we're gonna come back to do a couple more on that side. See there, and that one and that one. We're gonna do those tomorrow. Let me see if you can get side angle, get a thumbnail. Okay, there it is. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Well, thanks for watching. Yup, those two. Brian's over there scoping it out because I'm not going to be here tomorrow. Got other things I need to do, but he's going to be doing those two tomorrow, and hopefully he can get a little pick for us. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.